In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting the maintenance light in your Toyota Tacoma. There are 3 methods to reset the maintenance reminder on your Toyota Tacoma. Please follow the instructions according to your vehicle model year. So let's get to work. Alright, we got an old Tacoma here. If you have 2005 to 2011 model years, it's going to be a similar procedure. So now we'll get started here. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position. Step 2. Make sure that the dash screen at the bottom of the odometer shows ODO. If your vehicle shows Trip A or Trip B, make sure to get back over to ODO. Step 3. Turn off your car. Step 4. Hold down the ODO or Trip button and then turn the key back on, but you don't have to turn it to crank the engine. Just turn it to the on position and keep holding the button till it complete and you're good to go. This guide is for a 2012 Tacoma, although it will be the same for various other model years like 2013 to 2017. So let me show you how that is done. Step 1. Put the key in the on position, but don't start the car. If your vehicle has an ignition button, press the start button 2 times without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the ODO or Trip button here for the odometer until it displays Trip A. Step 3. Turn the key back 1 notch to make it off. Step 4. Hold down the ODO or Trip button and you're going to click the key back forward to make it on without cranking the engine. Continue to hold the button until you see all these little dashes go away, then you see the zeros and you're done. The new Tacoma has a different way of resetting the maintenance light from its predecessors. So here's how it's done. First, turn on your car. Step 2. Press the back button to clear the message and get the main menu. Step 3. Use the right arrow button to navigate through the main menu and get to the gear icon. Step 4. Scroll down to the settings menu and press enter. Step 5. Use the arrow to scroll down to maintenance reset and press the center button. Step 6. When you see reset data, select yes and press the center button to reset the data. So that's all you have to do. Knowing how to reset the maintenance light in your Toyota Tacoma is a valuable skill that can save you time and money. Enjoy your journey and see you next time.